Alright, so Andrew reporting to you once again from Bali. Kind of unfortunate news. We were supposed to be in Komodo today. The only problem is Lion Air, who we booked with, waited until the last flight of the day from Denpasar to Labuan Bajo had departed to cancel ours. And unfortunately, because the boat left so early in the morning, there was no way to actually get over to Komodo National Park. So that was a piece I was really hoping to bring you, and you know, I will completely throw Lion Air under the bus. They're just a terrible, terrible airline. And you know, because of them we don't get to see the Komodo dragons. But what that means instead is that we're seeing more of Bali, and we're seeing more in-depth Bali. And this is one of the places that we're probably not going to see if we had gone to Komodo, and that is the Tegenungan waterfall. And I'm going to show you that right here. And now we're gonna go up. And I can smell the incense too. Right there. Oh, by the way, these are a lot of the offerings that you'll see scattered throughout Bali. Because remember, you know, this is a Hindu island, so you're gonna see these all over the place. On the streets and on the sidewalks, and then like elevated a little bit. And don't worry if you step on one, you know, apparently that's kind of what they're for, but don't do it on purpose, because that's when it's bad luck. So now we're gonna go to the top. Here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Kasi. So it's an extra 10,000 rupiah. Just keep going to the top of the waterfall. That's less than $1, by the way. By the way, we got here by scooter. We rented scooters. My travel companions are Filipino, and you know, almost everywhere in Southeast Asia they do ride those, so they know how to ride one very well. If you know how to ride a bike, they're very easy to get used to. It's definitely nerve-wracking, but you get used to it, and it's actually really fun once you get the hang of it. And they're cheap too. Okay. And here we are. Now you can see why I refer to Indonesia as paradise on earth. Because of shit like this. So, up next is the temples. I need to decide which one I want to upload a video clip on first. It's either going to be for Lamphonyang or the Basaki Temple. It'll be one of those. So, thank you for watching.